South Africa is home to the majority of rhinos and cheetahs in the world. However, it's also a happy hunting ground for merciless poachers. According to the International Rhino Foundation, almost 10,000 rhinos have been killed for their horns since 2007. They are generally poached for traditional medicine and the commodity stockpiling for investment. The country also has some of the world's most majestic vulture species, but with the rate at which these gliding scavengers are being poached, the South African blue skulls may be without the embellishment of the Accipitridae family. The country boasts 3 vulture species: the hooded vultures, the white-backed vultures, and the caped vultures. The state of these species ranges from endangered to critically endangered.
So it depends from species to species. Each vulture is on a level of endangerment. Some are vulnerable to endangered, some are critically endangered to, or endangered to critically endangered. It all just depends, but they are all very endangered.
Experts say the motive behind the poaching of the imposing birds lies in cultural and spiritual mysticism.
They get killed for a lot of traditional medicines, for mutis and things like that, because there's different beliefs that different parts of the body has different healing effects or things like that. And also that the most cases that we get is where poachers poach an animal.
Furthermore, the country also boasts over 30 cycad species. Aesthetic and attractive semblance of the mujaji palm makes it the flagship of its family. But with the debushing of the cycad trees for their medicinal properties, South Africa may lose its status as the world's cycad biodiversity hotspot. The cycad tree is an ideal collector's item and a lucrative commercial entity.
Over the years, cycads have a collector's value, and especially the rarer species, typical humans which like to collect stuff. The rarer something is, the more likely they is to collect it.
Currently one of the country's endangered plant species, the Limpopo government is preserving them at Mujaji Nature Reserve in Bulobedu.
Any plant species that we lose is a loss for mankind. It's not for our South Africa only, it's for the world. I think with global warming at this stage, that we are losing a lot of biodiversity, and cycads form part of our national biodiversity. And I think it's very important that we must keep on maintaining a healthy biodiversity.
Environmental activists are also worried as the population of the Marabou stockbird remains in decline. Dubbed the Undertaker bird, the Marabou is also a target of mystical beliefs. Ruth and Obobodi, SABC News in Hoedspruit.